FlexCraft predominantly is made from steel. So if you look at our steel tube, our 1" by 1" tube, it is made from a 16 gauge hot rolled steel tube that we then punch the holes into. We also offer a 1" by 2" tube made from steel and 12 gauge material. And lastly, we also offer a 1" by 1" aluminum tube that is made from grade 6061 aluminum material. All FlexCraft tubing comes standardized in 5/16" holes with inch-on center spacing punched throughout the whole entire tube, which makes the accessories and bolting together and everything else that can be done with the product simple and easy.
How many colors does FlexCraft offer?
FlexCraft offers 8 stock colors. Those are black, green, blue, red, white, yellow, and orange. But we also do custom colors, like this pink that I have behind us. We have also done a purple, a lime green, baby blue, and quite a few others.
Does FlexCraft offer build services?
Absolutely we do. In fact, it's one of our fastest growing segments of our business. We do all sorts of builds ranging from simple little information stations to full out workstations and assembly lines.
What is your favorite accessory or add-on to the FlexCraft tubing?
My favorite accessory is actually these leg lifts, which work really great in point of use applications out on the shop floor because everybody is a different size height. So this leg lift just gets mounted to our tube, goes up and down, and actually has settings so you can set it for different heights for different folks between different shifts. Just an up and down arrow and it goes real fast.